The given image shows a restaurant table and a group huddled over the table enjoying their meal while talking to each other. We can see different types of starters, continental food, a fruit drink, coffee cups and water. In conclusion, the picture depicts a typical restaurant setup and a group with a variety of food and beverages in front of them, while also appear to be engrossed in a discussion as they have their meal. The given image shows the information about desalination process, which shows the conversion of salty water into fresh water. According to the image, we can see that there is a high consumption of energy during the production process. Salt water is channeled into the large bottle. With the help of sunlight, the salt and mineral gets saturated from the salty water and recycled back to the ocean. At last, we get fresh water from the following process. Overall, we can say that the image shows crucial information about desalination process, which produces a stream of fresh water. The given image represents the design and functions of different parts of a bicycle. It consists of two wheels made of spokes to share the rider's weight. The front wheel is attached to the handlebar, which makes the wheels easier to ride and to turn left and right. The back wheel is attached with the chain, which helps to increase the speed of the bicycle. Furthermore, the chain is attached with the paddle that cranks and increase pedaling force. There is a horizontal bar at the top of the frame that divides rider weight between the wheels. Overall, we can say that this structure is very simple and very efficient way for traveling. The given line graph represents the information about stabilizing effects of thermal mass on internal temperature. According to the image, we can say that there are three types of temperatures: internal, external and room, with comparison of morning, afternoon and evening. As per the line graph, in the morning time, external temperature starts around 12 degrees Celsius and reaches to its maximum around 30 degrees Celsius, and again it drops at around 10 degrees. Moreover, internal temperature starts around 20 degrees and it constantly fluctuating just like AC current. Overall, the line graph shows the deep information about effects of thermal mass on internal temperature. The image shows the information about average income of different states. According to the image, we can say that the figures for New Jersey contributes the most, which is $19,327, and this is followed by New York and Chicago, which account for $17,568 and $15,336 respectively. On the other hand, the income for Connecticut is the lowest amount among the 5 states, which is around $12,019. Overall, we can say that this table shows crucial information about average income of different states, which is strongly supported by the data and facts. The given picture illustrates information about total eclipse and partial eclipse. It is crystal clear from the picture that Sun, Earth and Moon play a vital in making total and solar eclipse. The shadow of the Moon makes due to absence of sunlight creates total eclipse. In conclusion, the overall pictures tells about how the total eclipse appears in the universe. The pie chart shows the overall market share of US ebook unit sales held by each retailer. From the given data, we can analyze that 98% of all consumer ebook purchases happen through just 5 major ebook retailers. Among those 5, Amazon constitutes major chunk with 74%, followed by Apple iBooks with 12%, B&N Nook 12%, and Kobo US 3%. The surprising figure is of internet giant Google Play Books with 2%. The given bar graph represents the information about household ownership of consumer goods in the years 2008 and 2013 in Georgia. According to the information, color TV has the maximum users in both the years, followed by cell phone and refrigerator. The least can be seen is of air conditioner, which is around 5% and 7%. Overall, we can say that in the upcoming years, color TV and cell phone users will increase. The given image shows the information about both poor and correct sitting postures. If we sit like a slump, then our shoulders roll forward and our chin poke forward towards the laptop screen, which is considered as wrong sitting posture. In order to maintain a proper sitting posture, the top of your screen should be at eye level. Moreover, we need to sit still, and the chair should completely support our back. Overall, we can say that the image shows the crucial information about both poor and proper sitting postures respectively. This diagram shows the information about innovations management process. It is generally true that this diagram is relatively complex and it is made up of 5 stages. The whole process begins with understand clients and ends in ideate with employees. At the same time, the elements used during the whole process also include iterate and get feedback, build tests and prototypes, synthesize ideas and so on. Overall, it is clear that this diagram is very beneficial and helps us to gain a better understanding of innovations management process. The given flow chart represents the biodiesel cycle. In the beginning, the oil crops are harvested that use sunlight for photosynthesis to grow and produce seeds. The seeds are extracted and crude vegetable oil is produced from them. After refining the vegetable oil, alcohol is added to it and the process is called transesterification. The introduction of alcohol produces biodiesel and glycerol. The glycerol is used in the food and cosmetic industry, while biodiesel is used in vehicles. The CO2 released by vehicles is captured by oil crops. In conclusion, this looks very environment-friendly process to produce renewable fuel. These two given images compare the old and improved design of a bird feeder. The bird feeder mainly consists of a suspended plastic bottle on a tree branch with a rope attachment on the top. In the first structure there are wooden pencils inserted in the bottle to make a platform for the birds to sit during feeding. The newly improved design replaces those wooden pencils with flat-head wooden sticks, which holds the grains for the birds to feed efficiently. In conclusion, the improved design would prevent the wastage of grains and it looks bird-friendly.